check fluids, alignment. You see it. Just hit the road, heading up to the Vintage. So hopefully everything go all right. So we stopped to get some Mexican food, some co-pilot there. So we're on our way, and Johnny will do some checks. Make sure everything is. E46 M3, E30 M3, E36 M3. Oh yo, just wake up. Look what I wake up to. Wicked. Oh, somebody cleaning up the car. Who that? Wow. You missed the spot. You can't run them kind of joke there with her now. Should I go on? Anyway, just to get ready for go to the show. Alright, this is the 740 crew. Rolling out. Nice. Ah, that's a manual. Never a dull moment. Anyway, we have a gas leak. Can't see it though, but I can smell it. Somebody couldn't get their hands up in there and tighten it properly. That look like it just get paint, bro. Got a good spot. Yep. Yeah, we're just some old guys looking at some old cars. I'm Veronica, right, Tessa? The restroom there.
Yeah, they are. Yeah. They're called the Laguna. Laguna room?
Back in business.
Shit out. Seriously? Yeah, she's just sitting in her car in the front seat.
Oh, wait a minute. You can. Yeah, it's right in here.
It's not wired.
You gotta. There's a fourth. That's what that is.
Ah, well, the back is.
I was thinking about starting to do that.
Yeah, these are
That sound goody, man. Nice and quiet.
Good mom.
That looks clean. Guy came up to Johnny and said, "Hey, I got a gift for you." What did he say, Johnny?
He said, I noticed you were missing your lip on the front, and I had this one over there, and I just thought I would walk it over and give it to you. I was like, what?
So,
So I got a lip, so I didn't have my... Carlos actually had one, but I didn't put it on. It was bigger anyways, but this one right here is perfect. Just like that one right there. But yeah, that's really cool.
so people need to come to the Vintage
Come to the Vintage, meet a friend,
and get
see some cool cars, eat some good food, and get some free parts.
Okay, saying goodbye to the Vintage. You gotta wave. Bye. Yes, Lord. Made it home. Amen, amen, amen.